Welcome back to another vlog. Recently, I changed my head unit and at the same time, I also changed the speakers on both doors sa harapan. But nakukulangan ako, to be honest. The reason being is that this kind of car that I have, wala siyang speaker sa likod. So, I'm going to show you guys. So, yan. Usually kasi dito nakalagay yung additional speaker sa kotse, sa doors. Pero yan, in this car, wala siya sa doors, sa likod. Now, with the higher trim nitong Ion, meron sila ditong parang parcel tray. Tapos dito sa part na to, doon nakalagay yung speaker. But this is not the higher model na Ion. Ito yung wala siyang speaker sa likod, wala siyang parcel tray. So, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be going to the shop na suki ko. And titingnan natin kung saan nila pwedeng ilagay yung additional speaker. Now, definitely I'm not going to be installing the speakers sa door because that would involve them cutting through the sidings of the door, and I don't want that. As much as possible, I'd like it to look OEM. We would have to figure something out, pero for now, we'll go grab some brunch kasi yun yan. I haven't had breakfast yet. This is what I'm having for brunch. Yan, chunky chicken. Now that I have my food, let's go to the shop para makapagpa-install na tayo ng speakers. Let's go. I'm also hoping that they can give me a good deal as far as the price is concerned. I was there a couple of days ago and we sort of went through the prices, and syempre negotiable pa naman yung prices there as always kasi nakakatawad naman ako sa kanila. So yun, tingnan natin yung options natin, but ultimately what I need to know is saan natin ilalagay yung additional speakers. And while we're here at the shop, yan, nakamit tayo ng subscriber. Hi sir, ayun, yun siya yung naka-orange. Inumpisa na nilang gawin. First, they're going to be removing the panel para ma-access nila yung wiring. Tapos, they decided to just install the additional speaker dito. Kasi I didn't want to go for the option of drilling a hole dito sa pinto. Ayan, so at this point, they're just fixing the wiring. Madali na matapos yan. Urong muna tayo ng saglit kasi yung isa nating ka-Ion ay lalabas muna siya. Patapos na yung sasakyan niya. Turns out na yan, subscriber na pala natin siya. So, sorry sir, I forgot to ask for your name, yung mama na naka-red. Pero yun, subscribe pala siya sa channel. So, hi sir, again, thank you very much for subscribing. I apologize, I forgot to ask for your name. Madami tayo pinag-usapan kanina yun. I forgot to ask for your name, sir. So, pagkalabas niya, tayo naman yung papasok sa loob ng shop. At this point, ito namang side na to yung winawiringan. Tapos yun, sinisimpat. Ito yung, yung speaker na gagamitin. And sinisimpat na nila kung saan nila bubutasan. Sabi nila, hindi naman sasabit sa body. But again, we'll see. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano mangyayari. So yan, at this point, naibalik na yung head unit. Tapos siguro tetestingin na nila yung speaker. To be honest, medyo kinakabahan ako kung anong magiging itsura niya. At the same time, hindi ko rin kasi alam kung ano magiging tunog. Pero again, we'll see. Ayan, minarkahan na yung bubutasan. In a couple of moments, we'll see kung ano magiging itsura niya. So yun, ito yung current situation, nabutasan na. Kaya lang, hindi naman in-expect na nandito yung mechanism for the seatbelt. So yun, akala talaga namin guang yung loob, pero yun, it turns out, yan, yung seatbelt pala nandyan. Kung i-direktang ilagay yung speaker, yan, ganyan. Yan yung itsura niya. So ang gagawin nila, lalagyan nila ng spacer para nakaangat to ng konti. And yun, expert naman sila when it comes to fabrication. Kayang-kaya na nila yan. Okay, so after a couple of days, ito na yung itsura niya. Ayan, here you go. Very nice. Ito yung reason why you'd like to deal with a reputable shop. Kasi pag merong aberya, they'll know exactly what to do. I mean, just look at that right there. Oh, mukha siyang OEM. And itong spacer na ginamit nila, if you look closely, yung material na ginamit nila na pang-wrap, it looks very similar to the sidings, yan, sa plastic na sidings. So the speakers, they really blend in with the rest of the car. So mukha siyang OEM. I'm not going to be playing any music kasi baka makopyright pa tong video na to. But yeah, this is just to give you guys an idea on where to mount your speakers. Let's say for example, ayaw nyo dyan sa door sidings, yan, pwede dito. And again, para hindi sumabit yung speaker, you guys can use a spacer, yan. So yan, a huge shout out to AutoCheck for again doing a good job installing the speakers. So yan. And yan, on the next vlog, just a preview. Yan. Ito yung gagawin natin. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye-bye.